Are you looking to register a domain name but don't know where to start? Part of building a website is buying a domain name that has to be unique. In this step by step guideline, we are going to show you several options on how to register a domain name and also cover some commonly asked questions that might pop up in your mind while registering a domain. But let's first start by explaining why is it crucial to choose a good domain name. For example, why a good domain name is important. For this, a domain name is your unique identifier among billions of other websites on the web. That's why having a memorable and easy to type name is essential for having an online presence. Your domain name serves as an extension of your personal or business data. In that sense, improves recognition and awareness, adds extra credibility to your venture, eventually boosts visitors' recall. Also, choosing a good domain name is important for SEO. Several years ago, exact match domains were all the rage, but today, most people choose brandable domain names. Memorable domains name get typed to Google more frequently. Algorithms keep track of that and assign more authority to your website. As the branded search volumes grows, your domain name earns extra authority pounds so that it gets easier to rank for related keywords. With that being said, let's move to the how to part. How to register a domain name. There are four options to that. Using domain.com, using godaddy.com, using namecheap.com, using Bluehost web hosting, and yes, offers free domain for 1 year. To get a domain name, you'll need to call DIBS with ICANN. ICANN is a global non-profit authority that maintains records on which domain and IP address belongs to whom and manages access to them. But ICANN doesn't provide registration services, it only maintains records. That's where domain name registrars come into play. The primary role of registrar is to coordinate claims on different domain names, match specific domain names with options, name system, name servers, ensures that there are no duplicate domain names. Technically speaking, you're not buying a domain name from a registrar company but reserves its usage for a specific time. You can pay to reverse a domain for 1 to 10 years at a time, depending on the registrar. After your initial subscription expires, you'll need to renew it and pay a fee again. You can repurchase your domain name over and over again. For example, when registering a domain name, you sign a long term lease of your domain. Now, in practice, all of the above is much simpler than you think, as we will show below. How to get a domain name from domain.com. Domain.com is a reputable domain registrar launched in back 1998. Over 1.2 million websites are registered with them. Domain.com features the most popular top-level domains such as .com, .net, .org, .co, along with over 25 county-specific domain extensions. For instance, .fr, .au, .co, .uk, and many more. They are mostly selling affordable domain names, with most names priced in the $9.99 to $12.99 yearly range. If you are lucky, you can also steal a deal and buy your domain name for as low as $2.99 per year. For that price, you get 1 year domain ownership, free SL certificate for extra security, automatic email forwarding to your domain, DNS registration, and management tools. Also, you can purchase extra domain privacy plus protection for your domain that costs $8.99 per year. In this case, your personal details will not be displayed publicly in the WIOIS and ICANN directories. Plus, the registrar will also run extra security checks. Sound sweets? Huh? Here how to register a domain name by clicking this domain.com. Step 1. Run a quick search to verify that the domain name you are eyeing is available. Number 2. Pick your domain extensions. Go for .com since it's the most familiar option among users and thus people tend to type .com before trying anything else. Here you got it. Your choice gets automatically added to your cart with a 2 years privacy protection subscriptions. This 1 year is optional, so you can remove it during the next step. Also, you can change your domain renewal period from 1 year to 5 years. Moreover, you can pick some add-on services such as number 1, a professional email address matching your domain name. Number 2, access to a drag and drop website builder. Number 3, a web hosting plan. Don't rush to grab it. Choose it wisely. Number 4, SiteLock website security tool. Step number 3, it provides your billing and payment information. Like once you are done with your selections, add a coupon code website setup 25 to get 25% off of the first payment. Review your choices and proceed with checkout. Note: recheck your domain spelling before hitting purchase now. Domain.com doesn't let you change your domain name post purchases if you misspelled it.